Happy Sunday! Happy first Sunday of the month of November. I don't even make up for hours. Uruka, get ready with me. I'm about to go to church. No, you know what? Eva, let me show you how I'm going to dance today in the church. Hmm? Hmm? About 3 days.